What we're going to sing is a fairly old song and a fairly popular song. I think it's one of the songs that will last for a long time. It's got a lovely tune and so on. It's called Tramps and Hawkers, and if you know the words or the tune, to use an oft-quoted phrase, you're welcome, and hawkers. Come all ye tramps and hawker lads, ye gatherers of blood, that tramps the country round and round, come listen in and all. I'll tell to ye a roving tale, o six that I hae seen, far up unto the snowy north and down by Gretna Green. I've seen the high Ben Lomond, a towering tail of moon. I've been by Crieff and Callander and round by Ballydoon. I've seen Loch Ness's silvery tides, places ilk ye ken, far up until the snowy north lies Urquhart's fairy glen. It's oft I blurt unto myself as I wander on the road, with a bag of blow upon my back, my face as brown as a toad, with lumps of cake and tatty scones, cheese and bracks o' ham, ne'er thinking where I'm coming frae, nor where I'm going to gang. I'll go to Paddy's land, I'm making up my mind, for Scotland's very altered moon, I canna raise the wine, but I will trust in Providence, and Providence prove true. I'll sing to ye, oh, Erin's Isle, when I come back to you. I'll sing